Welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I will be making some juicy fried chicken. So here I have 4 leg quarters that I've cut, washed and cleaned with vinegar and lemon juice. Over there I have all the seasoning that I will be using. I also have a onion, garlic, and I don't have scotch bonnet at the moment, so I'll be using some red hot pepper powder. So all these ingredients will be listed in the description box below. So make sure to check it out if you want to make some juicy fried chicken. I am now cutting my onion and my garlic so that I can add them to the chicken, and after which I will rub it all together so that I can incorporate all the seasoning with the chicken. Then I will leave it to marinate overnight in my refrigerator. I'm done with the seasoning process, so I will now cover my chicken with a cling wrap and place it in the refrigerator overnight to marinate. You can choose to marinate your chicken for 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours. It depends on your personal preference and what works best for you. But bear in mind, the longer you leave the chicken to marinate, it's the better and tastier it will be after frying. So it is the next morning and my chicken is fully marinated, and I have right here 2 eggs that I'm whisking along with some flour. And I have these ingredients right here because I'm going to dip my chicken into the egg, then into the flour, then I will be setting the chicken aside onto that plate. At this point, I am removing the chopped onions and the garlic from the chicken before I add them to the egg. And you want to make sure to also keep your chicken skin on your chicken when you clean it, because the chicken skin is what caused the chicken to have that nice color, nice outer color, and a nice crunch. So I went ahead and I placed my pot on the stove on a medium heat. Now I am going to add some vegetable oil to my pot, and I'm going to make sure that my oil gets hot before I place my chicken into the oil. I now cover my pot and I will keep checking on my chicken, and I will make sure to turn them each time I see fit. My chicken is now ready, so I'm removing them from the oil and I'm setting them on a paper napkin to drain the excess oil. So if you like my video, please do give a comment, subscribe, and cook with love always.